Hello. Did you know that, in 2010 FIFA Football World Cup, which team won in it? Comment below. Whoever has seen it will surely remember an octopus named Paul who made a prediction and it came true. The octopus might be one of most favorite sea creatures. With 8 arms, more than 1,000 suckers, and 3 hearts. It may be so helpful during breakup. Besides that, now, researchers at International School for Advanced Studies, ISA, in Italy. Scientists are one step closer to decoding their remarkable intelligence. A new study has found that the neural and cognitive complexity of these animals could share surprising similarities with the human brain. Before we learn more about the similarities between the octopus and human brains, please subscribe channel and hit bell icon for notifications. Researchers studied octopus brains at a molecular level in an attempt to understand its cognitive abilities. Using next-generation sequencing, the researchers found something very interesting results. The octopus brain has active transposons. These are commonly called jumping genes. Humans and octopuses may share similar natural abilities because they evolved to deal with similar environmental challenges. Researchers in Italy found that octopuses have active jumping genes in their brains, which are also found in humans. Transposons help the DNA or genetic material inside the nucleus of a cell to cut or copy and paste itself in different regions of the genome. This similarity could be an indication that they both developed intelligence because they were facing similar challenges. This could explain how humans evolved to be so smart. It may explain how octopuses are able to learn so quickly. Maybe in future we listen your brain look like a octopus brain. Thanks for watching this video.